Okay, now I have a few words, guys. That is the last one.
That is the last event.
Okay, so I don't know really what to say up here. I'm just kind of pulling this off the top of my head, but I just want to thank Kit and everyone else who put this together. You guys did such a great job. You guys did. Thank you so much. You guys did a great job. It's always so inspiring to come out to these things. You see a lot of younger cubers, become the new generation, get so interested in it. It wasn't too long ago. I was 14. Actually, I was that I started, and it was really cool. I got inspired the same way, and I hope that it was really nice to meet a lot of you guys out here. I have two things to go off on. One being that I want to remind you guys that sometimes, although life can seem really long and like a really, somewhat of a marathon, a lot of people see it as a marathon and not a sprint. Well, I sprint marathons, and that's some really good advice for anyone who's looking to just get through something, just sprint it. The second thing I'd like to say is always keep in mind, you gotta make time to play, work hard to play hard. So let's get weird. And the very last, I actually have a poem I wrote for Kit.
Oh, God.
So, Kit, you're coming here.
Come here, Eric.
So you can't read this one. So this is for Kit, and it goes like this. Kit is smart and cool and clean. He's a wonderful dude, fighting machine. And sometimes when I'm all alone, I start to wonder if Kit is home. He laughs at my jokes with a beaming smile. Sometimes I wish he'd stay for a while. His voice is soft and his hands are slender. It would be a real shame if they got put in a blender. The night is young and you are old. So Kit, my friend, don't catch a cold. You're here with Cubers for one heck of a time, and a good little company of your friend you are.
Well, on that note, thank you for coming out here. Have a safe drive home.